Come on, Tuck.
You never had one of these, have you?
Not even in the water, and he's trying to go swimming.
Good morning. Hi, baby. Good morning. Yes.
This is our baby, Milkshake. Just swinging in a swing, giving no care of the world. We're just having fun.
Сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюсь, сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюсь, сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюсь, сегодня будет Abby, do you have the hiccups? Should we wake up? Should we wake up?
Ay, familia. Gilio.
Reggie, don't eat him.
I want doggy ice cream. Oh wow, it's doggy ice cream. Look at the state of my bloody trousers.
Bye. Come back soon.
Gasp at your dog and see their response.
我冷酷无情，我天真无邪，冷酷、天真、无情、无邪。
Hello. Andiamo che metà. Andiamo che metà. Andiamo che metà. Are you swinging? Good girl. Look at you. You love it. What are you thinking there, Lola?
Are you hot? Are you tired?
Oh, my handsome friend. You like the song? Oh, yeah. It's so nice. Your fur looks so pretty. Hey! George, did you enjoy?
Oh, you get ice cream, baby. Oh my god, this is just the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh, you got stuck on your throat, baby.
Little Mia, would you like a treat? No? Your new cake's arriving. Are you excited? Are you excited? Yeah.
Come over here, come on.
Would you go swimming? Go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh.
Good boy. Good boy. Ready to swim?
Oh my god! Winnie! My head is squashed!
I know, you guys just want me to pick you up.
Hurts. Hurts. Yeah. Yeah.
You're so pretty. Good morning. Oh, so pretty.
Oh, come here. Whoa.
See? Mother's not so scary, huh? Whoop.
What is this? Huh? What do you think are you doing? Who did this?
La fiesta? Ay, 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 ay! Do you hear all the music? Woohoo!
It is somebody's birthday on Friday, so we're celebrating early, okay? Very first puppuccino for his 3rd birthday.
Baby girl.
I knew you were gonna fall.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We swim, swim.
Dorino singing.
I love to swim.
We made it extremely clear. We want to keep our meals together.
House Speaker Paul Ryan says he doesn't believe in separating families, but that he wants to keep
Gasp at your dog and see their response.
Come here! We're doing. Pop, 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 pop. We're doing.
Hey. 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 Hey, little Wallace. Hey, little Wallace, this side.
When your dog eats sushi off chopsticks.
Poor baby. I don't think he's just like, give me the whole scoop. Nice. Hey?
Oh, your new cake's arriving. Are you excited? Are you excited? Yeah.
Oh no. Morgan did it.
so mad. I'm sorry.
Go, Obi, go! Go!
What are you doing? What are you doing? You're so pretty, my pretty boy. He went vertical. He's a zoom. He's loving the air conditioning. He's like, oh yeah, this feels good. Oh no, the baby.
He has discovered that he likes his... Hi there, buddy. You like that, eh?
What was God thinking when he made you so damn thick, so damn scrumdiddlyumptious, huh? What was he thinking when he said, look at this one, we're gonna make...
We don't have a baby. This is our baby.
Good balance, Tell.
Go, 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 go. You want your belly rubbed? You want your belly rubbed? Hmm? Is that yummy?
Oh my gosh, she's so not having it.
First time she's eating a watermelon. Yummy.
Wait for me, I got little legs. Hey, buddy.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Look how tall.
Oh my god! Oh, Shaggy!
That is
This is Marco taking his bath. He comes every other week.
What was God thinking when he made you so damn thick, so damn scrumdiddlyumptious, huh? What was he... Come on. You're a lazy boy. You're lazy. Come on.
It's okay. Is that good? Is that good? So what's that?
Go, 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 go.
Tony, come. You're getting too heavy. Mama can't carry you. A little heavy, not too much. Just come.
Come here, do the stairs. Good boy. Oh, you're so brave today.
Sabi yun.
Oh my god, okay, wait. Sit still for a second.
Did you like his steak?
What do you mean, do something cute? When am I not cute? Look at me. Are you for real right now?
Are you supposed to be on the bed? You are. Do you have a permission slip? Bye.
Do you love that? Yes. Do you love that?
Poe! Oh my god! Poe! Dude!
Why don't I ever get watermelon? Do you like it, baby? Are you gonna take any bites of it? Can you take a bite of it?
Okay, go. Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo.
I think somebody's had a good run. Did you have a good run, then? Huh? Did you have a good run?
How are you even real? Like, look at that face. Look at that face. Ugh, you're freaking perfect.
Good girl, I rub a belly. You're a good girl. You gonna do it again? Do peekaboo. Come on.
Go!
Zandy, let's go. Zandy. Let's go. Zandy. Zandy.
Sim Sim! Sim Sim! Good boy! Good boy!
Bourbon, can you get up there? Oh no! Look, Isaac's doing it. Oh, baby.
In a minute, I'm gonna need a half an hour just to lay here and take a nap.
Is that good?
command you unintentionally taught your dog?
Oh, good boy. Good boy. Oh, you look great, man.
You like the first pup?
Come on, Maverick! Come on! Come on!
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hey, I know this might not be the best time because you're sleeping, but rent is due soon, and I saw that you haven't gotten a job yet.
Swim.
There, little baby.
Come on, man. Come on.
Kirby, you chilling?
Hey, chill, dog. Chill, chill.
Too cool.
Oh, good boy.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy.
Belly rubs, belly rubs. Oh, you love belly rubs, don't you? Oh.
You taking a swing? Are you taking a swing? Whoa. We love the kitty. I just don't know if she likes you. Zandy, let's go. Zandy. Let's go. Zandy.
Distrutta dal caldo. Mamma mia, peludo.
Hey, you can come here. Come on. Come on.
Something. This is Augie's first puppuccino. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's a good boy.
This is our baby milkshake. Just swinging in a swing. Giving no care of the world.
喝。
Light. What's she doing? Okay.
You think I'm cute? Yes or no? He's not sad, he's happy.
Yeah.
Is that yummy?
In a minute, I'm gonna need a half an hour just to lay here and take a nap.
Come here!
Come on, buddy. Woohoo!
Okay, so she wouldn't get up to go to the bathroom. Perks her hat. Oh, Sophie, what you doing, girl? Hey, babe. Sophie, what's up?
Come on, then. Come on, then. Come on, then. Let's get fertilizer.
Are you not ready to get out? You're kind of shivering. Dad said the water was 67. We
Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah.
Why don't I ever get watermelon? Do you like it, baby? Are you gonna take any bites of it? Can you take a bite of it?
What are you doing? Ruby, do you like your ice cream? Good night, little baby. Not sure about this.